Welcome to our channel Money Goals Mastery. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of YouTube automation niches. If you are looking to make money on YouTube with less effort, this is the video for you. YouTube automation is a powerful way to create, manage, and grow a YouTube channel without doing all the heavy lifting yourself. But how do you choose the right niche? That's what we're here to discover. First, let's explore why you might want to automate your YouTube channel. From passive income opportunities to scaling with minimal personal involvement, the benefits are endless. Our first niche is tech reviews. It's perfect for automation because new gadgets and devices are released regularly and there is a constant demand for content. For this niche, use tools to gather product information, create scripts, generate voiceovers, and even edit videos. This can be done without you ever appearing on camera. Next, we have motivational content. These videos are always in demand, and they can be created using stock footage, quotes, and background music. To automate this niche, compile quotes and motivational clips. Use text-to-speech software for voiceovers, and background music to keep the viewer engaged. Health and wellness is a booming niche. You can provide tips on diet, exercise, and mental health without needing to be an expert yourself. Find trending topics, use research tools for reliable information, and create engaging videos with animations or stock footage. Who doesn't love a good top 10 list? These videos are evergreen, meaning they can attract views for years. Compile lists based on popular trends, use text-to-speech software for narration, and edit using automation tools. Fun facts and trivia are perfect for quick, engaging videos that people love to share. Automate these videos with script generators and use animated software to make the facts visually appealing. Product unboxing videos have a massive following. These videos can be automated by using virtual influencers and stock footage. Instead of buying the products, use affiliate footage or 3D animations to showcase the products while providing scripted reviews. Compilation videos like funny moments, fails, or cute pets are always popular, and they're relatively easy to automate. Use video editing tools to compile existing clips, ensure all content is royalty-free or falls under fair use. Animation is another great niche. You can create engaging stories or explainer videos with automated animation tools. Use software like Toonly or Animaker to automate character movements, voices, and scenes without needing animation skills. So there you have it. 8 powerful niches for YouTube automation. Choose the one that suits you best. Start creating and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. And also tell me in the comments which is your favorite niche. Thanks for watching.